of the Boundless Bloom Life, and I'm here today with my son, Silas, and we're going to show you guys how to make the best homemade Play-Doh. Now, you may be thinking, how do you know yours is the best? Well, this is the first video of a segment that we're doing called Grandma's Way. And my mom always used this recipe, and it is a cook recipe, but don't click away because it's a little bit of cooking. Take the extra 30 seconds to wash the pan because it does make the difference.
Hi, Rebecca. It's Mom. I just wanted to know if you needed any help today. All right, just give me a call. All right, love you. Bye.
So let's get started. Now, another great thing about this Play-Doh is that it is made from all edible products. So even Ruby, our 1-year-old, we let her play with it, and she sometimes eats it. And it's safe. It's got flour, salt, cream of tartar, oil, and water. That's it. Let's get started.
Hi.
You ready?
Mom, are you ready?
We're ready. Okay. First we're going to take 1 cup of flour. Right here, this big purple one, that's a flour. And pour it there into the bowl. God bless you. Okay, now the next dry ingredients you're going to take is a 1/2 cup of salt. Yep, pour it in. And the last dry ingredient is 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Now, Silas, I'm going to need you to mix those together. Okay, I'll move these cups out of your way. You mix that together.
Ready?
Keep mixing.
Breaking it apart.
Yeah.
Making Play-Doh.
Okay. There's the 2 tablespoons of oil. And then, Silas, could you get that water? Just pour the water in.
Okay, here's Grandma's ingredient.
Yep, Grandma's ingredients. I'll put it right up here so we don't get anything on it. Pour that in.
There's all the water. Ooh, it has bubbles, looks like milk.
Okay, now we're going to mix it into each other just a little bit. Be lumpy. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Put it in the pan.
Now I'm going to put it into the pan. On very low heat. Pour it into the pan. Here we go.
I said, Mommy, putting it into the pan.
What color do you want to make it?
I want to mix it up to green and yellow. Green and yellow.
Oh, green and yellow, maybe. Lime green?
Green and yellow.
Okay, we're going to mix green and yellow together. Yeah, squirt it right on the dough. The best way to get the color is to do it directly in the pan.
There.
But if you want a bunch of different colors, you can also take
the
the dough out at the end
Yellow
and
stuff.
mix in your different colors. Separate and mix in different colors.
Yellow.
So it's best, as you can see, it's sticking a little bit, but so it is best to use a Teflon pan. But we don't have Teflon pans, so we are using a cast iron pan. The Teflon won't stick at all. So any of the other do-it-yourself homemade Play-Dohs that I've used or tried, because we have tried other ones, that's how we know ours is the best. They are too wet and gooey. So basically, you know, the ingredients on the ones that I looked up were the same, but they were wet and a weird texture. So I think the cooking just takes the moisture out of the Play-Doh. All right, now that it's nice and soft, this is my favorite part. It's so nice and warm. It's actually very hot, and it's my favorite part to mix it all up. It's a nice sensory activity. You want to try to touch it? It's hot, Silas. Try to touch it. Once it cools down, you can help me mix the color in. I like the color you chose. It's very beautiful. I just wanted to add that if you feel like the Play-Doh is drying out, that you can just add a little bit more vegetable oil and knead it or work it into the dough. And that will soften it up again for playing. Now you can just store it in a Ziploc bag or a Tupperware container.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Remember, keep blooming.